Hello guys, Luke here from KewbzUK, and today we've got the MGC 4x4 and the MGC2 Elite. Now these are both brand new out, we've just received them, I wanted to get straight on YouTube, make a video. Right, let's have a look. So we'll start with the 4x4. So standard kind of new MGC packaging with this awful sleeve that I can never get off. And we've got the 4x4 and an accessory box. Now this 4x4 has been opened, but usually they'd have a cellophane wrapping. I've only just opened it just so I could take some photos. And you've got a nice accessory box. So inside the accessory box, we have got a screwdriver for adjusting tensions. We've got the solution pamphlet for beginners. We have got springs, more springs, and replacement magnets, just replacements or spares. And onto the cube itself. Now from factory it comes pre-lubricated. It's not that lubricated and it's not very good lube. I would recommend grabbing some, Speed Cube Shop or Cubicle Lube or something and just chucking it in there. Out of the box though, it's very stable and very smooth, and do you know what, I main the GAN 460. I love it and I don't know why, but this is definitely going to be my new main, especially for the price as well. It's only I think £17, which is really cheap for the quality, and it's definitely the best in its price bracket. I'm not too good at 4x4, but I do like 4x4. Do need to start getting a little bit more into it. So corner cutting, it does corner cut quite well for the price. I mean, it's more than adequate. Let's do a 3x3 stage. Ooh, okay. Easy. Okay, so out the box, like I say, it's very stable. It's pre-lubricated. It's not that heavy. I think it weighs something in the realms of 120 grams. I do have our website loaded. Sorry, it's about 115 grams out of the box, so it's quite lightweight for those of you that prefer the lighter weight cubes. I would highly recommend this puzzle if you're looking to get into 4x4. Just for the price, it's so good for the price. But let's leave it there and we'll move on to the MGC2 Elite. Now most people have been a lot of people have been waiting on this for the new center edge magnet positioning. So in the box you've got an accessory kit, and inside the accessory kit we have got solution pamphlet, screwdriver, magnets, and 2 lots of springs. I'm not too sure if the springs are different, just waiting to hear back from YJ to see if the springs, might be lighter or springier. Anyway, first turns. Oh, it's very, it's very stable, and you get a weird distinct kind of magnetic feeling, but it's weird because you can feel that it's in the center of the puzzle and not actually where they should be. It's different. I like that. I like that. That's not bad. I currently main I think it's the WRM, and I like this. Usual kind of corner cutting for what you'd expect on a high-end 2x2. I think I prefer this to the Volk, you know. Oh. Let's try a solve. Okay. No, that's nice, very nice. You know what, I'm probably going to swap over to this as my main. I will do a few. I will do a few solves on it and then see how I feel, but I think this could potentially be my new 2x2 main. And you know what, I'm probably going to swap to this as my new 4x4 main. I do like the Alsu, but where I'm, you know, not very good at 4x4, I think it's just a bit overkill. I know a lot of people are probably going to disagree with me there, but I really like this, and if I was just getting into something and obviously didn't own the store, this I feel would be a very, very good starting point. Yeah. Not sure what I've done here, but I'll figure that out later. Anyway guys, these are available on our website. They are in stock. We've got a lot of them in stock, so don't worry, we shouldn't sell out anytime soon. But yeah, head on over to the website guys, KewbzUK. We do also have these nifty little cube stands. They're in stock currently. In fact, I'll tell you what, just before we go, let's take one apart. Let's have a look at the new magnet mechanism. Aha! You can see the magnets in the centerpieces. If we flip this over, you can also see the magnets there as well. So yeah, anyway, that is the internal mechanism. That's what it looks like. And you do get a very, very strong magnetic feel. I would highly recommend this puzzle for, well, beginners, and you know what, even, in fact, I'd recommend it to anybody. The 4x4 is definitely the best in the price bracket. The 2x2, it's different. It's different. You do get a nice distinctive kind of click, which I know a lot of people are going to like, but it's a little bit different than the standard magnetic design. But it's worth a go. Pick one up, guys. It's cheap enough just to, if you don't like it, you can sell it on. We do buy it back as second hand. If you buy it and you try it for a bit and you don't like it, we'll happily buy it back off you. We'll sell it as pre-loved. So yeah, just give it a go, guys. Pop on over to the website and I'll see you soon.